Hi everyone, and welcome to the solution video for practice problem learning objective 1-2, problem number 1 here. So in this problem we have to calculate depreciation, and we have to calculate depreciation using 3 different methodologies: straight line depreciation, double declining balance, and sum of years digits. In addition, we have a piece of machinery here being purchased partway through the year, which is going to complicate things for us. So let's start with straight line depreciation here in this video. So first thing we want to do is remember our formula for straight line depreciation. And so if you remember, straight line depreciation is equal to the original value of the asset minus its estimated residual value, and then we are going to divide that whole thing by the useful life of that asset in years. So useful life in years. Okay, so pretty straightforward, something you should be very familiar with. And so what we're going to do here is just fill in what we know. All right, so on April 1st, 2024, Park Company purchased machinery at a cost of $42,000. There is the original value, $42,000. The machinery is expected to last 10 years, right? The machinery is expected to last 10 years with a residual value of 6. So we can fill those things in as well. So we're going to say that the residual value here is 6. We think that we can sell it at the end of its useful life for scrap, maybe, and we can get about $6,000 for it. In addition, we think that it will last 10 years, and so our straight line depreciation expense per year is going to be 42 minus 6 is 36,000. Divide that by 10 years. And so our annual depreciation expense is $3,600 per year. Okay, pretty straightforward. But the only complicating factor here is that the asset was purchased on April 1st, 2024, which means if the problem is asking for the depreciation for 2024 and 2025, we have to adjust our 2024 depreciation expense. So in 2024, we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay? But we purchased this in April. So January wasn't there, February the asset wasn't there, March the asset wasn't there, which means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We had 9 months to use this asset in 2024, which means therefore that we should only take 9 over 12 months of depreciation expense. And 9 over 12 is equal to 75% if you want to think about it in terms of percentages. Okay, so we are going to say our 2024 depreciation is going to be 3,600 multiplied by 9/12. Okay, and so this will work out to what? 3,600 times 9 divided by 12 gives us 2,700 of expense for 2024. And then in 2025, we had the asset for the entire period. And so if we want to be consistent, we could say 3,600 times 12/12 months, or $3,600. Okay. So there are our numbers. If we wanted to write out the journal entry, we could write the journal entry up here. We could say this would be for 2024. Debit depreciation expense. And then we would say credit accumulated depreciation. And this would be for $2,700. Okay. Pretty easy. All right, and then in 2025, we would have the same entry. So I'm just going to use my little lasso tool here. Move this up slightly, and then I'll replicate this. So we'll say paste it. All right, so we have basically the same entry, but we can tweak it. So we'll say, let's get the eraser here, and we're going to say, let's erase the 4 here. Let's make this 2025. Right, and then the amount that we'll have is not going to be 2,700. Now it's the full 3,600. So we'll say 3,600, and we'll do the same thing here. So this will also be 3,600. All right, and there is your solution for part A of this problem. I hope you found this helpful. I'll talk to you soon.